Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and multi-snap on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the Snapchat application, and from there you will go ahead and see this screen right here. You can just go ahead and click on the camera icon with the plus icon at the middle of it, and from there we will be able to get the multi-snap feature. So once inside, basically all you have to do is to go ahead and start recording your video or photo in order to multi-snap on Snapchat. So if I go ahead and record my video right here, and if I go ahead and release it, I can then go ahead and do the same thing right after, and as you can go ahead and see, it will allow us to multi-snap on Snapchat. You can even preview your multi-snap by clicking on the preview button. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.